Appleton man charged with 9 counts of child pornography possession, that is, pleads not guilty in an Outagamie County courtroom today. The judge also denying the defense's request for a bond modification. 25-year-old James Ching was indicted just last week on federal child pornography charges and distribution of possession. He's currently being held on $500,000 cash bond in the Outagamie County Jail. Court documents reveal back in March, investigators made contact with Ching after receiving cyber tips from the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. Law enforcement discovered photo and video evidence, they say, in Ching's possession involving sexual assault on infants and toddlers. In the terms of the bond modification, the judge considering the need to protect the community.
The allegations in this case do involve depictions of sexual assault on very, very young children unable to report and to protect themselves. So the court does have concerns about the need to protect the public from serious harms. I'm not going to be making any modifications at this time.
Ching is scheduled to be back in Outagamie County Court September 18th, but he was in federal court Tuesday for those 3 federal charges. That trial date is scheduled for July.